This tiny olive holds liquid gold. Today, we unlock its secrets. We've loaded tons of olives, but the clock is ticking. We have hours, not days, to turn this fresh fruit into gold. We must ensure this cargo is pristine. From the field, we have less than 12 hours before the olives begin to oxidize. From this raw fruit to the flawless oil, we need absolute precision. Let's see the science behind the perfect press.
Flow rate confirmed. Starting pre-cleaning cycle immediately.
Even the smallest stone can seriously damage our high-speed mill. This precise mechanical separation is absolutely vital to maintaining the purity of the press.
Now that the olives have been separated from the leaves and branches, they're ready for the triple wash.
The fruit is now flawless. Every trace of dirt is gone, ensuring we get a perfectly clean oil press.
After cleaning, the clock is ticking faster. We must now rupture the cell walls to release the oil in the blink of an eye.
Walls instantly, ensuring maximum release.
We need a perfect consistency here. Too fine and the oil emulsion separates too quickly. Too coarse and we lose valuable oil in the next stages.
In this video, we're going to see how olive oil is made. First, the olives are crushed into a paste.
The next step is the gentle art of malaxation, slowly mixing the paste to encourage the oil droplets to merge, all while protecting the flavor. This is the payoff for all the slow mixing. The oil droplets merge into pools large enough for our centrifuge to finally extract them. This continuous heat exchange ensures our temperature never fluctuates, locking in the quality without sacrificing the oil's delicate flavor compounds.
This log confirms we never went above the critical 27-degree mark. That dedication to cold press ensures we...
This powerful centrifuge spins at thousands of RPM, using density alone to separate the liquid gold.
Although the decanter removed the bulk of the solids, this oil is still cloudy. Those fine charged. At this stage, the oil passes through the centrifuge, separating any remaining particles.
This first oil is still crude, full of fine water and sediment. It's time for the second, high-precision polish.
This vertical centrifuge spins even faster than the first, using hyper-precision to polish out every remaining trace.
At this speed, the clean oil is literally polished, separating completely from the last of the water molecules by density alone. And there it is, the liquid gold. This oil is now polished to absolute perfection, ready.
The oil is pure. Now it enters the world's most sensitive quality check, the human palate.
The scientific results are in. High polyphenol count. This means excellent flavor stability and high levels of antioxidants.
Based on the perfect harmony of 0 defects in taste and high marks in chemistry, this oil receives the highest certification, extra virgin olive oil. To protect this final product, we must isolate it from its 3 greatest enemies: heat, light, and most importantly,
This tank's almost full. Let's get the next one ready.
to guarantee the freshest taste for months, we blanket the oil with inert nitrogen gas. This stops all oxidation.
From the calm of the storage vault, we transition instantly into the rhythm of the high-speed bottling hall.
The atmosphere here is sterile. This oil is perfectly pure, and we can't risk a single drop of contamination from the ambient air during filling.
Now, the bottle must be sealed instantly. We use a two-step process, a foil safety seal,
This is where the product receives its identity. The label is a...
And there it is, the final product. But we still have to get this liquid gold from the factory through our rigorous packing process.
Here, protected from light and heat, our finished oil awaits distribution. Every single pallet is traceable.
Every bottle undergoes this final check. We verify quality and integrity one last time, assuring you a perfect extra... The quality journey is complete. From our field, through the mill, and finally onto your shelf, this is a perfect bottle of extra... And that is the journey from grove to gold. Don't let the secret of great engineering end here. Hit that subscribe button now.
Now for the big question. Where should I go next? Tell me in the comments below. What factory should I explore for the next manufacturing secret?